Hello, my soul friends. My name is Abby, and in this quick overview, I wanted to just tell you how I made my cow neck dress. So I started by tracing my bodice block. Here I have the front bodice block, and then I traced that onto fresh pattern paper, ensuring that I marked out all the dots. I then transferred the shoulder dart into the center front. I went ahead and cut out the block. Next, I marked some key points that will be guidelines for the neck and also creating the volume for the cowl. So here you can see all my points marked out. I went ahead and drew lines to connect them. I cut out the neck, and then next I cut on the lines all the way through to the shoulder, but not right through it. Went ahead and spread to add volume, and then I placed it onto fresh pattern paper and traced out. So here I have the traced out pattern. I also went ahead and added the facing for it. So this is all done together with the seam allowances. Then I placed it on fabric, applied the length of the dress that I wanted, and then I went ahead and cut them all out on fabric, as well as also creating the pattern for the back and cutting out also on pattern. I used the same method to create the pattern for my mom's cow neck dress. As you can see, she's rocking it here. She was really happy with it. And then here I'm rocking my cow neck dress. I really loved the outcome of it. I even used it when I went on holiday to Nigeria. Here you can see me. I was on holiday in Nigeria and I had a good time. Thank you for watching.